Welcome to my mini farm. Where I live in the country, I'm so lucky to be able to have an awesome hydroponic garden and loving animals that I raise. I just love my animals. They are a huge part of my family's life. Every morning I can't wait to see how many eggs I can gather up, how many vegetables and herbs I can pick. With my family's favorite recipes and my home cooking skills, I enjoy sharing what I've learned over the years with you. I'm also part of iFood.tv networks. New shows every Wednesday. So welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking. Welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking, and today I'm going to show you one of my family's favorite recipes. So let's get started. In the bowl in front of me, I have one package of chocolate cake mix, and you'll bake it according to the directions on the box. This Oreo cream cheese cake is super duper delicious. Now that my cake is all mixed, I'll take my two cake pans and spray them with cooking spray, and then I'll bake them according to the directions on the box. Once the cake is done, then I'll take the cake out of the oven and let it cool off to the side. Now into the oven they go. In the bowl in front of me, I have 4 1-ounce squares of the Baker's semi-sweet chocolate. I'll place that in my bowl, along with 1/4 cup of butter, and then I'll melt that into the microwave and then mix it. So just break off these squares, place them in your bowl, along with 1/4 cup of butter. While my Baker's chocolate is melting in the microwave, I have one 8-ounce package of cream cheese at room temperature. I'll place this in the bowl in front of me. To this, I'll add 1/2 cup of sugar. Then I'll take my mixer and mix it until it's well combined. Now that it's all mixed, I'll take my spatula and scrape down the sides. And this is what the mixture looks like. To my cream cheese mixture, I'll add in 2 cups of Cool Whip. This is the first one. Now I'm going for the second one. Once I have the 2 cups of Cool Whip, I'll take my mixer and then mix it in with my cream cheese mixture. Now that the Cool Whip is mixed in good with the cream cheese, I'll take my spatula, scrape down the sides, make sure everything's mixed well. And this is what the mixture looks like. Now I'll take a package of Oreo cookies. It's the 14.3 ounces. I'll take my rolling pin and I want to smush all these Oreos. So just keep rolling and pressing and squashing. Any cookies that didn't really break up, just take it with your hands and break them apart. You just want bite-sized Oreo pieces inside the Cool Whip and cream cheese mixture. And this is what the crushed Oreos looks like. So now I'll take my spatula and mix the Oreo cookies inside the cream cheese and Cool Whip mixture. I want to make sure that it's all well combined. Once it's all combined, I scrape down the sides of my bowl, and this is what it should look like. Now I have my melted baker's chocolate in my butter, and I'll mix it. This is going to be the topping for the top of my cake. So just mix the butter in the baker's chocolate. You want to make sure that it's well combined. It's my chocolate mixture off to the side, and I'll go check on my cakes. They're ready to come out of the oven. They smell really good. So I'll place them on top of my stove and let them cool. Once my cakes have cooled, I'll take them out of the cake pan and put them on my plate. Now that my cake has cooled, I have it on my plate. I'll take my mixture and place it on top of my cake. This Oreo cheesecake is really, really good. Nice and chocolatey too. So just take the mixture and then spread it on. You want to make it look like an Oreo. So just take the mixture and flatten it down on top of your cake, because the second layer will be going on top of this cream cheese and Cool Whip mixture. Now that I have it all spread evenly, I'll take the second layer and place it on top. This Oreo cream cheese cake is super duper good. Now I'll take my melted baker's chocolate with butter and pour it on top of my cake. This cake is really chocolatey. So just take it and pour it on top, and then take your knife and spread it. You want it to drip down the sides. Doesn't this Oreo cream cheese cake look good? See how the chocolate just dripped off on the sides? Now let this glaze sit for about 10 minutes or until firm, and I'm bringing this cake over to a friend's house because we're having a dinner party this evening. Can't wait to try this. Thanks for tuning in to Home Cooking with Cheryl, and please follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, YouTube, Twitter, and especially iFood.tv. I'll see you next video. Bye-bye.